Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a box opening and a review or a tutorial on how to put it together on a Weber original kettle premium grill. So this is it was about 150 bucks at Lowe's, and four people came up to me and said it's a great grill, unsolicited, without me even asking. So it's kind of nice. It makes me feel a little bit better about my purchase. Okay, so yeah, what we're going to do is we're just going to show you how to put it together. It's really easy. Alright, so the handle goes on like so. It's only one, so it's pretty easy. You just put it on like this and then screw it in. Now, I'm going to try to do this whole entire job with just a Gerber. So let's see if we can do it. If not, I'll grab some tools. Handle, pretty easy. Do it this way. You get the straight piece right here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna grab this piece, install it in this way. So flip it down, hold it in, slide it in, find your spot. All right, the book shows you to do it this way, but it also has an art of it the opposite way. So just make sure you follow the check marks. And you put it with the handle side right here. You're gonna get the straight piece. It's gonna go right here in this hole. The instructions tell you to do it this way. Don't use a hammer. Don't try to pry it in there. Just turn it until it goes in. And then once you're in, you're in. All right, so when we put this in, we're gonna make sure that this is orientated so it goes this way. You'll see whenever we put this triangle piece in, I'll show you. It's gonna matter. You might have to redo that, but it's not really hard. It just takes a second. All right, so what we want is this hook to be facing up. As this is down, I want this hook up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in here, like so. Tilt it up, slide that through, all right? That easy. All right, next, we're gonna grab this last leg. We're gonna orientate it to see how it needs to go. It's gonna have to go like that. So we're gonna wanna put it in this hole right here. This hole right here. Let me do a close-up of this real quick so you guys understand. So I want this hole. Slide it in like this. Just like that. Put it in now. All right, so what we're gonna do is grab that, put it in. We definitely put it in the wrong hole. All right, so what we're gonna do is grab this, slide it in like so, and put it in. There you have it. It's in. Okay, next. Next up are the wheels. Wheels. All right, so we're just gonna put them on like so. Okay, it comes with 3 caps. I think we only need 2. I might have just sent an extra one just to do it. Sometimes people do that. Let's see, we're gonna put them on with our hand, and then we're gonna probably have to hammer them on. So it looks like you just push it on like so. Yeah, you're gonna need a hammer. Yeah. All right, got a hammer. Graphic does say to put, to actually hammer it on. So like that. Go ahead and put that one on. So, and we're going to hammer this one as well. Wheels work, not coming off. It's good. Next step is a cap. This cap just comes with to fill here so you don't get dirt in here. There we go. So now we're going to put on our pot here. This is our ash catch pan. And then the way you lock it in is you just squeeze these handles together and push it down in here, and it locks in right there. Okay. Next step is the grill or the grate. This one's got some grease on it, or something. Probably grease. So I wouldn't say it's food, but it does seem a little slick. So just know that that's there in case you get it on your clothes. Set it in there. Pretty easy. Now we do the top level grate, and just set it down like so. And then our lid. Now, one thing I didn't go over is they do give you this little tool, and this is to tighten this up if you don't have a, that way you don't have to have a wrench. You just have to use a screwdriver and a hammer is all you need, so, like so. But we already got it pretty tight. Put your lid on. It's ready to cook. It works.